This 2020 Entegra Coach Esteem 27U is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Entegra Coach is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, microwave, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, external shower, TV, DVD player, leveling jacks, LP detector, refrigerator, and 42-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2020 Entegra Coach Esteem 27U is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.